Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will tell you how to add secondary email to your eBay account. So eBay doesn't let you add secondary email, but instead you can have only one primary email address on your account at specific time. But instead you can change your primary email address, and to do that you will need to go to my eBay section at the bottom side of the screen, scroll down and go to settings, and here open personal information, and here email address, and you can simply edit it by entering your new email address, and don't forget to save it. That's it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.